Stage is set with a beautiful forest backdrop. Welcome, little friends, to the magical world of the forest. Today, we embark on an exciting adventure to meet some of the wonderful creatures that call this place home. Smiling. Our first friend is the fluffy and quick rabbit. Rabbits are known for their long ears and love for hopping around. Let's see what Rabbit is up to in their cozy burrow. Rabbit starts nibbling on imaginary carrots, and a few forest props like trees and flowers decorate the burrow. Gently, look closely, friends, as we meet our 8-legged friend, the spider. Spiders are excellent web weavers, creating intricate designs to catch their prey. Let's see how Spider skillfully crafts its web. Spider continues to weave an imaginary web, demonstrating its delicate movements. Whispering, "Now, let's tiptoe over to the fox's den." Foxes are clever and cunning creatures. Watch as Fox showcases its clever antics to survive in the forest. Fox pretends to hunt for food and playfully hides behind rocks, demonstrating its agility. Squirrel is seen jumping from tree to tree. Excitedly up in the treetops, we find our acrobatic friend, the squirrel. Squirrels are experts at leaping from branch to branch. Join Squirrel as it navigates its treehouse high above the ground. Laughing swing into the fun with our next friend, the chimpanzee. These clever primates love to play and swing from tree to tree. Let's see what exciting games Chimpanzee has in store for us. Chimpanzee swings on imaginary vines, mimicking playful gestures. Gently hop over to the serene pond where our friend the toad resides. Toads are amphibians that love to bask in the sun near the water. Let's join Toad as it enjoys its peaceful pond life. Toad sits by an imaginary pond, making gentle hopping movements. Badger appears, digging and sniffling around curiously. And now let's explore the underground world with the badger. Badgers are expert diggers, creating intricate burrows. Watch as Badger digs and sniffs around its cozy home. Smiling, what an incredible journey we've had, meeting these amazing forest friends. Each one has its own special qualities that make the forest a magical place. Remember, the world is full of fascinating creatures waiting to be discovered. All animals come together, sharing a friendly moment. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the wonders of the animal kingdom. So, this is it. You enjoy the cute animals video if you like my videos. Keep watching and share. Subscribe Danyal Haider cartoons.